Hi, this is Chris Reddick with Chris Reddick Financial Planner. In this blog, I talk about DIYer investors, right? Someone who wants to do it on their own, and reads a lot of things like does Google searches, just kind of trying to figure out investing on your own and implement it. Could be Facebook groups, Google searches, it could be just reading a lot of books and then doing implementing on your own. So this blog post, as I mentioned, is for you, right? Because I work with the DIYer types of individuals in terms of their investments. So you want to manage your own money, but you want someone to give you some guidance along the way, so you don't feel overwhelmed and have to like look on Google and you get like tons of searches, or listen to all these podcasts and so forth, and then you can do other things in your life. So working with me, you would have the ability to bounce back ideas. We can talk about your investment strategies. I can help you with implementation, but you ultimately manage your own money. So we're a perfect match if you're a DIYer type of person, and but you may need someone to hold you accountable, that you get things done between meetings. So if you're on the premium plan, we typically meet quarterly. So between meetings, I'll give you homework and you can work on those and then come back, and then we'll keep working towards your goals. All right. So the way I operate is different than many other financial planners. So the first thing, I'm fee only. So I don't charge any commissions or get any sales charges or anything like that. Also, I don't manage money. I give you guidance on your investments, but I don't actually manage money, where most of the industry does. And they typically charge a fee of around 1% of assets under management. So, for example, if you had $500,000 of AUM, so the financial advisor is managing $500,000 of your money, that would be $5,000 a year, right? $5,000 a year. If it's over $1 million, that would be $10,000 a year, right? That's not including any expense ratios for the mutual funds that are selected for the portfolio. And you can have some active managed funds that charge another 1% or close to 1%. So you're dealing with maybe $20,000 in expenses. So you can see that could have an impact on your returns over time and your portfolio and your ability to do things like retire when you want, save for college for your children, and so forth. Okay, so the great thing about working with me, you're ultimately responsible for your money, but I will give you the best guidance I can, and then and be able to work with you in that type of capacity. So I do all the research and give you the knowledge when we meet, and we can work on implementation together, like showing you, like educating you, showing you how to trade, and then so forth. Like rebalancing your portfolio, I would show you that. What's the best investment options? Are you on track for retirement, and so forth? Like, are you on track for retirement? We talk about that. How do you reduce your tax liability? That's a common theme. Do you have adequate insurance? Have you saved enough for college? How do you pay down any type of debt like credit cards, student loans, and so forth? Okay, so essentially this blog post talks about the DIYer investor, and you can look at my various plans that focus on DIYer types of persons, who also need accountability. So don't be afraid to reach out to me on the contact page below and schedule an appointment, and we can talk about your finances. Have a great day.